Ready for your sweet potatoes? Good boy. No frown that time. Little frown. Little frown. Is it getting better? Is it getting a little bit better? That's too much. Is it too thick? Here. Ready? You're a funny boy. Do you want a little bit more? Okay, ready? It's just a little bit. Ready, bud? You didn't even get that bite. Don't even make a face. You didn't even eat that. Come here. Ready? Here. That was just a little bad face. That one wasn't too bad. You want one more bite?
Come here, buddy.
Here. Ready? Good job opening. Don't blow it out though.